Welcome to Excellence in Excel. My name is Nick Wong, and in this video we're going to focus on the if statement. This video is really designed to be very short, so you will notice that we're going straight to the point. So if you're looking for how to use the if statement, you probably have seen the option if. And the goal with if statement is to analyze if something is true or false. And if it's true, show a value. For example, yes, and if it's false, show a value as no. So we're going to do that, and that's it. Just to keep it very short, this is a very short video, max 2 minutes. So step 1, we're going to type in here the equal, and then we type in if. So you can see here we get the suggestions. However, I will just click on this to get the formula builder, and I will just open bracket it, yes, so we get the option. So the first one is the logical test. And in this case, what we want to do is we want to analyze if we hit our sales target of the day. So our target is to sell 100 items, and our goal is, and our daily sales, we sold a total of 136 items, which means that we hit our target. So how to do that? Well, very simple. First of all, we have the logical test. That is, if sales amount, which is this, is larger or equal to 100 or to the target, in that case, so you have here, if the value is true, we say yes. And we make sure that this is in double quotations. And if the value is false, we just put in no. And we put this also in double quotation. And once you do this, you get the suggestion. You can see here the result is yes. I'll click on done and close this. And there you are. You can see now instantly the value is shown. So what happened if I change this to 150? You can see it moves to no. And if we upgrade this again to 300, you can see this is yes. So this is a very short version of the if statement and how to use the if statement. If you want to know more deeper, check out my other videos. Or if you want to learn more about Excel, check out the link below.